Alright guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your boring computer setup to a smart computer setup. Let's get right into it. So I'm just going to record a voiceover while this is playing, but this is pretty easy to set up guys. All you need are the two products. I'm going to leave in the link in the description below, and download the apps that they tell you to in the pamphlet that they give you. So basically after you set them up, you just let your UEFI device, or if you decide to go with the Amazon Dot, to shout out to my dirty hand right there, to update. Give it some time, and when it updates, everything should run smoothly. I had some problems with it before it updated, but after it updated by itself, it should work fine. But yeah, it works really good. The only problem is if you want to sync it with the music and you want the lights to turn on and off with your music, you can't record anything, which I ran into a problem because I was recording on my Note 8. But yeah, this is a really good product. It's pretty cheap guys. I got both of the products at 55 after tax and everything. Like I said, I'll leave it down in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to tell me down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Here's some audio of it synced to the music. Yeah, it's not the best. It was recorded on my webcam, but here you can listen to it. Yeah, I'm ballin' way above the rim, threw her the keys and told her take it for a spin. I'm with a couple tickets trying to get these guys. I call my mama, said we'll never be broke again. I remember being broken down bad. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And then, yeah, that's it. Have a nice one.